You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning white in German. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and names. That's how you spell it in English. It's also a name. We'll be looking at how to say more German as well. Stay tuned. Anyhow, Weiss is how you say it. So the letter at the end there is pronounced like an S. Weiss is how you say white in German. Weiss. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.